Hey friends, welcome to this YouTube channel and welcome to this playlist videos. And in this videos we are going to show you how you can use Photoshop 2022. And today in this video we are going to show you how you can use selective object selective tool in your Photoshop. Let's start this video. Before start this video, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's jump to the screen. First of all, open your Photoshop and wait few seconds to open the Photoshop. Now click on create new and click on create, and you can see here the object selection tool. First of all, you need a picture to select the object from this picture. I download this picture from free website. Now if you want to select this MacBook or this DSLR, you can easily select this with this tool. Click on this and go to here and draw this camera like this and wait few seconds, and you can easily know the camera borders. You can do not need to cut this, and use this move tool to move this picture like this. You can see the clearance of this picture of this cutting. Now let's cut another object from here. Choose this object selection tool and click on this mouse like this, and you can see how easy is it. You can also choose this pencil, and you do not need to cut this pencil. Click here, and this function is only available in the new version of Photoshop like Photoshop 2021 and Photoshop 2022. Press M, the shortcut key of this move tool, and move this pen here. Press Ctrl T to adjust the size of this pen. Go back and you can choose any picture that you want to PNG. Now let's look on another picture. Like this. If you need to cut this font from this image, simply choose this object selection tool, and now you can see it's very easy to cut anything from this picture. You can also make PNG images using this tool. Go here, and if you need these pens in PNG shape, you can see, if you go your mouse on this, the blue color, okay, click here and you can see the paper notes are selected. Press V to cut this like this. You can easily cut images from your pictures and make PNG images for your videos like this. You can also press Ctrl C and go to the main file and press Ctrl V to paste the image here like this. I also mentioned the name of this tool is here. PH Photoshop CC 2022. Now, so that's in the today video. You will learn how to use object selection tool. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel before leaving this video. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.